You're okay, aren't you? Baba is telling Jagdish Bhai. You're okay, aren't you? Jagdish Bhai is saying something to Baba. It is good. One doctor has come from Kenya and she is doing some naturopathy on Brother Jagdish for his fast recovery, and she's also come on the stage. Medicine by natural means is okay, it's good for you now. You have done a lot of service right from the beginning. And Jagdish Bhai is telling Baba, Baba, I only fulfilled my responsibilities. And Baba is saying that you are still doing your service, the service at this time. Though through your body you cannot do a lot of service. But but those souls who have become instrumental in us inventing new methods of service and thereby made many plans of service in this way, their shares are also accumulated, means they have also got a lot of benefit. Because through that type of service like exhibitions and all, people in large quantities are getting the message. When you hold a mela, then to quantity service takes place. Some VIPs come, but usually it is service of quantity souls. When a conference takes place, then in a conference when people are served, then VIPs come in that, and the VIPs are served. But that's not many. At present, service of different professional groups is taking place. Different types of VIPs are coming in their different professional groups, and by serving the VIPs in this way, they are coming closer to you and becoming cooperative. Why? First of all, you have 15 wings, are different professions. And all the 15 professions are serving in their own ways and inviting VIPs of their profession. And the second is they stay for a few days here. They come in a conference, that's fine. But then the most of the VIPs, they just give lectures and go away. But then again, it's a good method of inviting the VIPs, attracting them for a conference. You invite them to give a speech in the conference. So that's a good form of making them come here. So those who have done this invention of service, who have become instrumental for that, those souls get the share of the services they have done. This is why you should not worry. You should not worry that I'm not able to do a lot of service now. You have done a lot and you are doing service. And Jagdish Bhai says, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just under the canopy of your protection. And then Baba is telling that, see, Brother Nirvair, Baba is telling Nirvair, he invented that the ladder of 84 birds. Someone invented the conferences, someone invented exhibitions, and dadis are in everything. Yes, and Jagdish Bhai, you became instrument for the different wings. And Baba, he's telling to Baba, Baba, it's your blessing. It's the blessings of the dadis. And Baba says, yes, you are under the canopy of their blessings, their protection. And Jagdish Bhai is saying that foreigners are doing a lot of service. And Baba says, yes, the first group does a lot of hard work, and you are of that first group. Dadi Janki is telling Baba, yes, he went in the first group abroad also. And he's saying, Baba, I'm not afraid, I'm not worried. But Baba is saying, no, you are worried. You are worried. And yes, there is one worry. Baba is telling him that you have the worry that you have not been able to reveal. Baba, isn't that your concern? And he's nodding his head that yes, it's my concern. I haven't been able to reveal, Baba. Then Baba says, doesn't matter. You will reveal through the powerful atmosphere you create wherever you go. So it will happen. Time is actually waiting for you. It is waiting for the curtain to be unveiled, for the curtain to be opened. So time is waiting actually for you. And in this new year, if all of you become angels, then visions will start in all four directions. People will start getting visions and they will begin to wonder who these people are. Just as you saw Brahma Baba for the first time and you had this thought, I have to become like him. Similarly, now they will see the Pandavas and Shaktis along with Brahma Baba. And this way Brahma Baba will be revealed. They will look for Brahma Baba and find out and ask, where are these people? Where is Brahma Baba? Where can we meet them? Jagdish Bhai is telling, Baba, Baba, you have given so much love to this soul. And Baba is saying, yes, you were the first one to come to Baba when service started in Delhi, When the sisters went to Delhi in 1952, he was among the first ones to come to Baba, and Baba was telling him, yes, you came to Baba and and uh, you started doing service. Do you remember the first book you wrote? And Jagdish Bhai says, you wrote for the Kumbh Mela. You wrote for the Kumbh Mela at that time. Daddy is saying, yes, we were going to Japan at that time. So that was the first book you wrote, Who is God? So you started doing service right from the beginning since you came. This is why you will get a lot of fruit. You'll get a lot of fruit. And Daddy is saying that Jagdish Bhai is so happy, so happy. Yeah, yesterday we made a program to dance. And Baba saying, dance right now on the stage. You can. And well, Baba, he is called Ganpati, Ganesh. And Dada, Baba is telling him that you are Ganpati, you should start dancing like Ganesh. And he's really standing up to dance with Dadi Janki. They catch hold and dance. Baba is giving so much love. He's saying, yes, I'll dance like Ganpati. Pravina is laughing so loudly. So Brother Jagdish danced like Ganesh. See, his face has become so cheerful. Dadi Janki Singh. Service is just namesake, but actually his line of fortune is very long. And Baba is telling that sister was come from Africa, you have got the golden chance of becoming instrumental in serving Jagdish. Don't you experience this? That you are serving this soul who's an instrument. You have become instrumental in serving Brother Jagdish. So you also are very fortunate. Wow. Baba is garlanding Jagdish by garlanding him with the garland of victory. It's a beautiful garland of pure roses. Very fragrant roses. Then Baba calls a sister who is treating Jagdish Bai through naturopathy. Baba gives her a bouquet. And now Brother Nirvair comes with his bouquet to give to Baba. Baba is giving fruit to the sister of Africa, also to the sister who's taking care of Brother Jagdish, and to Sister Vedanti on the stage. And Sister Chakradhari is here. She's also come on the stage. Baba. Baba is telling Chakradhari Ben that it's good to help in every way. To become Sayogi is to increase your account. This is for the service of Russia you are doing. Baba is telling Sister Chakradhari. Now Ramesh Bhai comes with his bouquet. And Baba is saying Ramesh Bhai the
टोली बांटने वाले भाई इसी डायमंड हॉल में बैठे हुए सभी भाई बहनों को टोली बांटना शुरू करें। सभी भाई बहनें बैठ करके ही टोली लेंगे, कोई भी आवाज नहीं करेगा। सब बैठ जाएं। All the double file sisters and brothers are requested to take your seats. और टीचर्स बहनों से निवेदन है कि डबल विदेशियों को बैठने के लिए स्थान दें। टोली बांटने वाले भाई इस हॉल में, डायमंड हॉल में बैठे हुए सभी भाई बहनों को टोली देंगे और टोली लेने वाले भाई बहनें भी बैठ करके शांति से टोली लेंगे, कोई आवाज नहीं करेगा। सभी बाप दादा की दृष्टि का पूरा लाभ लें और टोली बांटने वाले कोई आवाज नहीं करे, खड़े होकर के कोई टोली नहीं लेगा। कोई भी खड़े नहीं हो, हाथ आगे नहीं बढ़ाएं, एक एक करके टोली लेंगे। टोली बांटने वाले ध्यान दें, सबको बैठे हुए टोली देंगे, कोई खड़ा नहीं हो। सभी बहनें बैठ जाएं, कोई आवाज नहीं करे। सब बैठ जाएं। बहनों की तरफ बहुत सी बहनें खड़ी हैं, कृपया बैठ जाएं और आप बैठ करके ही टोली लेंगे। सभी बहुत ही शांति से बाप दादा को सामने दृष्टि लेते हुए बैठे रहे और टोली बांटने वाले बहुत शांति से टोली देंगे। सभी भाई बहने बाप दादा के मिलन का आनंद लें, कोई भी आवाज नहीं करे और सभी भाई बहने बैठे रहेंगे जब तक बाप दादा हमारे संग हैं, तब तक हम बाप दादा की कंपनी का अनुभव करेंगे। कोई भी खड़ा नहीं हो, सब बैठ जाएं, आगे टीचर्स बहने बैठ जाएं, जिसको टोली लेनी है बैठ के ले, कोई आगे नहीं बढ़े। टोली बांटने वाले बीच में टीचर्स बहनें खड़ी नहीं रहे, बैठ जाएं। सोफे के पास जो भी टीचर्स बहनें खड़ी हैं बैठ जाओ, माताएं सब बैठ जाएं। बहनों की तरफ सभी बहनें बैठ जाएं। टोली बांटने वाले सभी को पहले बिठा दें, उसके बाद टोली दें। दादा विश्वरतन, दादा चंद्रास आ जाए। दादा विश्वरतन आ जाए। दादा चंद्रास।
सद्गुण से सजाया तुमने, रंगा है रंग में अपने। सद्गुण से सजाया तुमने, रंगा है रंग में अपने। सम्मान दिया है इतना, ले लिया संग में अपने। तुम प्यार मेरे, संसार मेरे, दुनिया मेरी, तुम ही तुम हो।
दादा चंद्रास स्टेज पर आए।
कहे दिल ये मेरे तुम हो, मेरे तुम हो, मेरे बाबा। कहे दिल ये मेरे तुम हो,
देखने की जरूरत नहीं, जरूरत नहीं। तुम्ही दिल जिगर में बसे हो सदा, और दिल की कोई हसरत नहीं, हसरत नहीं। तुम निगाहों में हो बाबा। शब्दों में हम कह पाए नहीं, इतना प्यार करते हो। पड़ते नहीं धरती पर कदम, इतनी शक्ति भरते हो। तुम्ही मन के मंदिर में हो बाबा, बसे और कोई मूरत नहीं।
अभी बाप दादा हम सब से विदाई लेंगे और आप सभी अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं। सभी टीचर्स बहनें बैठ जाएं, कोई भी खड़ी ना रहे। सब भाई और बहनें जो भी खड़े हैं कृपया सभी बैठ जाएं। बाप दादा अभी हम सब से विदाई लेंगे।
दिन रात मेरी तकदीर को तुम ही तो सजाते। सुख सागर में लहराए मन जो खुद सा बनाते। इन नैनों में तेरे सिवा बाबा बसे कोई भी सूरत नहीं, हाँ सूरत नहीं। तुम निगाहों में हो बाबा। हीरे जैसा जीवन दिया, फूलों जैसे मुस्कान दी। अब तो हर पल गाए दिल बातें तेरे एहसान की। पाके तुझे सब कुछ पाए, और दिल की कोई चाहत नहीं, चाहत नहीं। तुम निगाहों में हो बाबा, और कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं, जरूरत नहीं। तुम निगाहों में हो बाबा।
सुखों का सार देता है। तुम्हारा प्यार ओ बाबा सुखों का सार देता है। तुम्हारी याद में खुशियों का सब संसार मिलता है। तुम्हारी याद में खुशियों का सब संसार मिलता है। तुम्हारा प्यार ओ बाबा तेरे हाथों में जिसने हाथ अपना दे दिया बाबा, तेरे हाथों में जिसने हाथ अपना दे दिया बाबा, तेरी राहों में चल कर साथ तेरा ले लिया बाबा, साथ ले लिया बाबा। कमल के फूल सा जीवन जगत में उसका खिलता है। तुम्हारा प्यार ओ बाबा
शक्ति